Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up scheduling in Fareclock. Now that the other setups are complete, the next step is to organize your organization's bricks. To make changes, click on the Breaks tab above the settings. After that, click Add Break. You need to name the break. Select the break window option, either time of the day or relative duration. Let us learn the different settings for time of day. The first one is the break normally starts at. To automatically deduct the break or have the break paid, the worker must work past the specified time. The next one is the break lasts for a duration of. For this setting, adjust the hours and/or minutes to define the break duration. Checking this option marks the break as paid. Let us now get into the different settings for relative duration. The first one is the break normally starts at. To automatically deduct the break or have the break paid, the worker must work past the specified time. The next one is the break lasts for a duration of. For this setting, adjust the hours and/or minutes to define the break duration. The first two settings are specified in the hours and minutes format. Checking this option marks the break as paid. Next step, choose between manual break or automatic break. You have the option to select either or both options. The difference between the two is that for manual break, employees must punch out for their break, specify if the break is time-based or relative to shift, and set the time window for clocking out. Breaks outside this window are considered absences. Also, define the standard duration and maximum length of the break. For automatic break, breaks don't require a punch out, just set the length and start time relative to the shift. That completes the setup for bricks. The next step is to set up the schedule. You can find the link in the description box below or visit our help center at support@fareclock.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial updates. Happy time tracking! Bye!